So, I found this elevator here in downtown Tampa, and check it out. It looks like it's either being taken out or modded. Did you see there's the lantern? It's upside down actually, because this is the second floor. At least I think it's upside down, because that would make sense since this is still bolted in. You can see all the wires. And then the call station was right here. It's been taken out. Here's what the elevator looks like. Looks like a stainless steel door. I would go down the one to check out what it looks like down there, although it is completely blocked off. When we go down, you would expect the elevator to be like right there, but it is blocked off. You can go around the corner, and still, it is blocked off. They are doing something to the elevator. And over there is a walkway to the, I believe this is the Poe garage. So, that's about everything in this video. That'll be it.